To show you something new here we're trying is Gemini Google Nano Banana, creating images together for a YouTube thumbnail. So in the past I've always used Photoshop to create my thumbnails, stuff like this, for YouTube. So today I'm going to try stitching a couple photos together and giving it direction to see if it can actually do that for me. I've gone ahead and create a prompt here that we're going to have Gemini Nano Banana create and automate my YouTube thumbnail off an old Photoshop images. So we're going to go in here, we're in Gemini, I'm going to copy and paste the prompt, switch the tool to create images. This is Nano Banana, and then we are going to upload a couple examples of past thumbnails here, and also take out a background of a photo here. So it's going to stitch these three together and we're going to see what it does. Alright, so those three photos will load up. It usually takes about 10 seconds. When I was testing this the other day, it's quite a bit faster than using ChatGPT, which take quite a few minutes, a couple minutes usually, so it's a lot faster to do it in 10 seconds. Alright, we'll see what it does. So what I'm going for is to have a woods background, to use white and yellow text, and then to outline myself in white, and then on the right hand I will have Go High Level logo, and then the left hand side will be a bar graph for showing reviews going up and down, and we'll see how close it comes to. Alright, so it did pretty good. Oh, and then I told it to put a bear in the background growling. It's interesting that it made it cartoon. Last time it made a real bear. And it looks like it's creating it fairly well. Last time I noticed when I said this, I just said on the right hand side of the photo put the bar graph, and then on the left hand side of the photo put the high level logo, and it flipped them. So this time I told it to put on the left hand, and it got confused, and it actually put high level in the left hand. It should be the bar. So I'm not sure what's going on there. I can show you past examples that I tried here yesterday, just kind of playing around with this for the first time. So I have a different prompt here, and so there's the original photo, and what I said was backwards of what I was thinking, so it took me out and I wanted the background out. And then it created this, kind of stitched them together, which is close to what I wanted, but then I didn't want the phone, I wanted a bar graph, so we tried a couple different variations here. This is all with Nano Banana. And then I told it to put a growling bear in the background and move the auto review text up, and then instead it wrote auto review text again, so it's getting a little confused. It was able, though, when I crossed it out on the photo, it did take it out correctly. So you can kind of see how this could speed up if you can prompt it correctly to create those images for you. I'll try having the bar graph and the high level logo flip hands. Let's see here. And then also make the bear realistic. Make the bear, the tiny bear growling, move under the other hand, and switch the high level logo to the other hand, and move the bar graph with arrow to the other hand. We'll see what that does. So it did pretty good, but it's still making a cartoony bear. I don't want that. So we'll get a feedback. It looks good, but the bear is cartoony. Make the bear from a real photo, and have the text word review be yellow color. Let's see what that does. There, that's pretty good. I think we'll use that, just something new that we're trying. Let's see how this works. And let us know in the comments below if you've tried Nano Banana for your Photoshop editing skills. or just tried it without if you don't have any Photoshop skills. We're trying new things to see if we can speed up creating thumbnail ideas off of existing photos that we've already created. If you like this video, like below, leave a comment, let us know how you're using high-level automations, Gemini, Nano Banana, any of those things for your Photoshop to speed up your process with your business.